RM Orozco Hardware, mag-change oil using Primelube products, ating engine oil treatment at ang ating Primelube Power Boost. Ayan, 4.0 diesel DI Sobida truck. Last change oil nito no September. Titingnan natin yung pinag-change oilan niya kung maganda pa rin ang texture ng langis. Nasa ideal care lang sila. Maintenance sila ng every 6 months change oil.
Engine overheating, smoke belching, low performance, high fuel consumption? No more worry. Treat your engine like new. Primelube engine oil treatment gives super protection on your engine and makes it operate like new. Treat your engine with the best lubricating formula. Primelube engine oil treatment optimizes and upgrades engine performance to the whole new level. Take a look on how Primelube engine oil treatment works. Primelube engine oil treatment provides a strong protective film to protect metal discs and plates. With its maximum lubrication, engine parts slide smoothly and prevents friction. Friction may cause overheating and burning. With its special formula, Primelube seals gap that helps save fuel consumption. Primelube has cooling advantage that prevents from overheating. Primelube keeps engine free from dirt. It has the ability to pick up soot, sludge, and many more. Rust may affect engine performance. That's why Primelube formulated anti-rust engine treatment. Maintaining cleaner and powerful engine, Primelube works for a long period of time, making oil change prolonged and let you save money from getting multiple oil change. Prevent belching black smoke, save your engine, and save the environment. Treat your engine today and drive with the best. Primelube engine oil treatment.
Okay, yan na. Antayin na lang natin na madaling lahat. Okay. Shout out kay RM Orozco Hardware. Yan sa Baras Rizal. Yung pinag-change oilan. Tingnan natin ha. Oh, mainit-init pa. Pero grabe. Oh, linis eh. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang langis na na nagmamansya.
Pino nga siya.
Pino.
Siya katulad ng
Hindi maligas-gas. Tapos pag pinunasan mo,
nadulas na.
nadulas pa nga eh. Pag pinunasan, oh, hindi kumakapit.
Ayun.
Hindi niya kalinis yung madali siyang malinisan. So ibig sabihin, pag ganyan langis mo, protected yung makina. Kaya tatagal yung makina yan. Sabihin natin, para nagmamalikpataran tayo ha.
Dumidikit. Nagmamantsa kaya.
Nagmamansya pag ordinary oil lang ang gamit. Ito madulas pa yun. Pwede pa ito isana sa tricycle.
Oo?
Madulas pa. Madulas pa yan. Kasi 6 months pa lang ito eh. Yung change oil to September 2021. Last year. Bali 6 months pa lang. Baga nasa ideal care lang kayo.
Saan yung tayo namin?
Hindi nagmamansya sa daliri mo eh. Magandang hapon boss. Kumusta po yung ating gamit po ng ating produkto na Primelube products? Lalo na itong engine oil treatment.
Maganda to. Kasi unang-una, magandang takbo ng makina. Cleaning. Tapos, tipid sa crudo to. Nakatipid tayo. Pangatlo, sa smoke. Wala tayong problema sa usok. Kaya maganda. Kaya ito na lagi namin ginagamit.
Yung hatak naman, kumusta?
Maganda rin yung hatak ng makina, lalo pagka-ahon.
Lalo nito, diba truck? Kargado lagi to.
Punong-puno yan. Sabi ho, yung takbo ng makina.
Okay.
Dali sumatak. Kaya maganda itong Primelube.
Okay, tingnan natin yung texture ng langis. Bali, nag-change oil itong truck na to last September 2021. So 6 months ago. Ito po yung langis niya. Ayan. Hindi siya maligas-gas, madulas pa. Hindi. Obserbahan nyo kung ordinary oil yan, dapat kakapit yan. Yung itim-itim na yan. So tingnan mo. Ayan, malinis. Hindi nakakapit yung dumi. Ibig sabihin, talagang maganda yung langis na ginamit natin para sa truck na to. Okay?